How can you make a restaurant order taking more simpler? And the answer is e-menu card. We at Unipro Tech Solutions have developed an application which will enable the customer himself to place the order by browsing to the menu. Let's see how it works. The customer walks in the restaurant and occupies a table on which 2 BR codes will be placed already. Once scanned the first barcode, the e-menu card application will be downloaded in his mobile phone through the application store. Then he scans the second barcode, in which there will be a table number encrypted, which will allow us to determine the table number in which the customer is placed. The table numbers will be mapped to the captains accordingly. And as the customer comes in and downloads the application in his mobile phone, he would scan the barcode in the table for determining the table number. And once the table number is determined, this application will load all the menus in a categorized format. As you can see, these are the categories. And the customer will browse through the categories and will find the desired food. And once the desired food is selected, he would add it to the cart. And he will continue browsing through the other menus. And yet again, when he finds another dish which he wants, he would add it to the cart again. And once order taking is done, and he would view the cart, which have 3 options: the edit quantity, delete entries, and place order. The edit quantity will allow the customer to edit the quantities of the given particular dish. In this case, the customer selected 1, but he needs 2, so he places 2 in the system. So the particular order will be increased by 1 and the quantity will be changed to 2. And when he wants to delete an entry which he mistakenly chosen or which he don't desire anymore, he will delete the particular entry. And once he finalizes the order, he would place the order. There will be a confirmation again, so the customer says okay. So the particular order is successfully sent to the respective captain. And the captain on the other end will receive a notification in his mobile phone about the particular order. So once he touches the notification, the order will be loaded. And as you can see, the customer's order is loaded in the captain's mobile phone. Now the captain walks to the customer and he confirms the particular order placed by the customer. Once the customer reconfirms it, the captain would again confirm it for one more time, which will process the KOT, other time the kitchen order token, in the kitchen. And in the application, the table will be turning into green, which means the order is under process. So the kitchen would be preparing the food and the food will be served. Once the food is served and the order has been completed, the captain would give a checkout from his mobile phone directly. Once the checkout is done, the bill will be printed and the order will be turning into red in the system, which will allow the manager to know if the particular particular table is completed serving food and completed serving the bill to the customer. So all the managers need to do is to receive the money and click the particular table, which will allow him to take the payment. There are many payment options: the cash, credit card, if it's a food token, or a credit or check. Once the payment is done to the cash or any other mode, the screen will be cleared and the table will be cleared for next customer. So as this thing follows, the order taking is made very simple through this application, the e-menu card, which will allow the customer himself to see each and every dish in a pictorial representation, and he can relate more to the dishes and the menus. He would take his time and he would choose the right dish and he would enjoy his meal. Through this, the customer will be satisfied and he would return to the restaurant again for his next meal. Thank you so much.